Well, there's like an eagle here. Look at it, it's blessing me with its eagleness. Yo, what's up guys? We have made it to the Petrified Forest National Park. Whoa, get off, it's super windy, really cold. We are in northern Arizona. This is a tree, but it feels like it's a rock. Some crazy stuff. Alright, let's get lost. In this park, it's super windy. We're in the middle of god dang nowhere. Let's get it. Let's go see what's going on here. It's cold. Show me some petrified wood. Dude, this is amazing with the sky. Whoa. These clouds are nuts right now. I'm trying to keep it on the line. I'm getting tossed around. My ensalada's getting tossed. Whoa, not a bad view. It's gonna be a good ride back. I'll ride back later without me talking. Ah, this road sucks. Whoa, getting blown hard. I'm gonna head to the glass forest, whatever the hell it's called. What's this? Whoa! I gotta get it. I gotta get a picture here. Dude, that's a spot right there. Well, there's like an eagle here. Look at it, it's blessing me with its eagleness. Dude, it's nice. I think they're kudus. Whoa, I'm pretty sure you can crawl down those if you wanted to. Look at this eagle. You catching that? This dude's hard. See, you see him struggling to fly? Dude, look at the view. It's sick. Whoa. So bumpy, this road. And it's super windy. Whipple Point. It's Whippley. Dude, the sky is beautiful though. Northern Arizona. The gentleman said there's a cold front coming through. I believe him. There's a little Route 66 thingy here. Let's see. This road's bumpy! Bumpy Johnson! Not a bad road though, except it's bumpy as fuck. Ah, I don't like that. We could have had a good road here. Show me some wood. Vante la mano! To the Crystal Forest we go! Ooh, baby! Not a bad spot here. The road's kind of shoddy, it's kind of bouncy. And there's a ton of wind today. And it's cold as balls. But, look at the view. I'm gonna have to get a picture of one of these. The dunes, baby. The Kunu dunes. Let's go. Whoa. Move you fucking twigs. Let's go. Almost there. Whoa, good view. It's a better view there. Whoa. Some crazy views there. Look at this, I'm getting blown hard to the left. Look, I'm not gonna correct, I'm just gonna keep watching the wind. Look, I'm going straight, but I'm getting blown left. Aim right, you idiot! Alright, where's all the wood? Whoa! Whoa, into the sky! This is the train! Oh, it's beautiful. We have reached petrification area. We're going in. Crystal Forest, let's go! Let's see some old trees. Well, they're everywhere! They're everywhere! Alright, let's go check this out. Let's say here, when Crystal Forest was a forest? Hold up. 220 million years ago? Come on now. This dude was living here. That guy. This guy. They remember. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Petrification. Whoa, look at this. It's like a freaking crystal. Oh, it's crazy. Oh goodness, I ain't got time to do the whole hike. Look at this. This is a piece of wood. This place. Oh, we're doing the cut. I'm now walking 0.8 miles. The dunes, baby, the dunes. Freaking crazy. This was a piece of wood. How old is it? How does this happen? Anyways, I'll catch you later. Onwards. Tomorrow we're going west, southwest. Let's get it. Bye-bye.